Networking is arguably the most important aspect of investment banking, and it is not an easy task. There are no certificates, online courses, or academic degrees that can replace the power of networking. Networking is a microcosm for the broader industry, and the ability to leverage one's network is an indication of career success. Therefore, breaking into the industry requires networking. Networking involves time, research, charisma, and the ability to handle adversity. Breaking into the industry is one of the toughest parts of banking, and it requires a relentless networking effort. In the next video, we will discuss how to begin a networking effort and outline all the necessary steps. In conclusion, networking is difficult. It takes time and it tests the candidate's commitment, courage, and consistency. But it is a prerequisite to breaking into the industry. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment below and look out for more videos on networking. Check out the link in our bio and take our free online course to learn more about investment banking.